Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your GK sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, today we are going to solve GK class 2nd sample paper 2. Let's begin. Question number first. If a bird sings melodies at night, which one could it be? Our options are crow, nightingale, parrot and pigeon. So we all know that nightingale is the bird which sings melodies at night. So option B is the correct answer for question 1. Second question. This bird has a long tail and a beautiful sound that fills the air during spring. Identify it. Options are peacock, sparrow, crow and dove. The option A, peacock is the correct answer because it has a long tail and beautiful sound which fills the air in spring. Question number 3. Which bird is known for waking up early and chirping the loudest in the morning? Options are nightingale, crow, sparrow, and hen. So sparrow is the bird which is known for waking up early and has the chirping in the morning. So option C, sparrow is the correct answer. Fourth question, what part of the plant helps in the production of seeds? Our options are flower, stem, roots and leaves. So the correct answer is option A, flower, because it is the part of plant which helps in production of the seeds. Fifth question, on which day do people honor the contributions of workers? So answer is Labor Day, option A. It is also known as International Workers' Day in many countries. Question 6. The 25th of December is known for celebration of which festival? 25th of December is known for celebrating as Christmas festival. And Christmas is a Christian festival marking the birth of Jesus Christ. So option A is the correct answer. Seventh question. A teacher asked student to point out their knee. Where is it located? Now, where is knee located? Knee is located in legs. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, next. What is the name of the tube that carries air to our lungs? Options are trachea, esophagus, stomach and arteries. So the tube which carries air to our lungs is trachea. So answer A is the correct one. Trachea is actually also known as windpipe. It is a tube that carries air from voice box to the lungs. 9. A team runs with a ball while tackling players in this outside sport. Identify it. Options are rugby, hockey, cricket and basketball. So correct answer is option A, rugby. Rugby is the game in which team runs with a ball while tackling players and this is the outdoor game. What do plants need to make food? Question 10. What do plants need? Plants need water, air and sunlight. So option A is the correct answer because plants use a process called photosynthesis. It helps in making food in the plants, and for photosynthesis we require water, air and sunlight, all three. Okay. Question 11. What part of the plant carries water and nutrients to the leaves? So our options are stem, roots, leaves and flowers. And the correct answer is stem, option A. Next, 12th question. A plant was kept in a dark room for a long time. What part of the plant could not perform its function? Actually, see, leaves perform photosynthesis process, which requires sunlight to produce food for the plant. So What portion, if kept in the dark, will be affected? Leaves will be affected the most. And that will not perform its function because there's no light over there, sunlight. 13th, who helps people when there is fire? Who helps? Doctor treats patient, teacher teaches to the students, farmer grows the crop, firefighter. Firefighter is the person who helps to protect people from fire. They are the trained professionals whose job is to put out the fire. So option A is the correct answer. 14th, a person works in a police station to catch criminals. What is their profession? Again, see, teacher teaches to the kids, students. Doctor treats the patient to the ill people. Chef makes the food, delicious food in hotels. Police officer, he is the person who works in the police station to catch the criminals. So option D is the correct answer. 15th, who helps to build the tall buildings? See, you three options you already know. Driver drives the car, teacher teaches the student, chef cooks the food in hotels, engineer, he is the person who helps to build the tall buildings. So option D is the correct answer. 16th question. On which festival do people celebrate the harvest season in Punjab by flying kites? So in Punjab, harvest season, the people celebrate festival is known as Baisakhi. Option A. Okay. Next, 17th one. This festival marks the birth of Lord Rama and is decided and is celebrated by prayers and processions. What is it? So the birth of Lord Rama is celebrated as Ram Navami. Option A. Okay. 18th question. Which festival marks the birth of Lord Ganesha? Celebrated with sweets and idols. So Lord Ganesha's birth is celebrated on option A, Ganesh Chaturthi. See, Lord Ganesha birth is celebrated as Ganesh Chaturthi. Lord Rama festival celebrate birth of Lord Rama celebrated as Ram Navami, and birth of who Lord Krishna is celebrated as what? Janmashtami. Okay. Where do squirrels live? 19th question. Squirrels live in trees. So option A is the correct answer. What do you call the home of bear? So bear lives in den. Option A is the correct answer. 21st question. What is the home of a fish called? So home of a fish is called aquarium. Option D. 22nd question. An insect has long legs and can jump very high. What is it? Long legs and jump very high. So this insect is called grasshopper. It is green in color and it is option A. Option A is the correct answer. 23rd question. What is the name of the insect that has wings and moves quickly around the flowers? So the bird which moves quickly around the flowers is hummingbird moth. Option A. Butterfly also moves around the flowers, but it doesn't move quickly, it moves slowly. That's why option A is the correct one. 24th. What part of insect's body contains its heart? Option A is the correct answer, abdomen. Abdomen is the part of insect's body that contains its heart. 25th question. Which country has Berlin as its capital? Berlin as its capital? The capital of Italy is Rome. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Capital of France is Paris. And capital of Poland is Warsaw. So our answer is Germany because Berlin is the capital of Germany. Option B is the correct one. 26th question. This country's capital is New Delhi. It is known for its rich history and culture. Which country is it? It is India. Our India. So option B is the correct answer. Next, the capital of Brazil is 27th question. Capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Option A is the correct answer. Which country's capital is Cairo? So from among these four, Egypt is the correct answer. So option A is the correct one. The capital of Russia is? Capital of Russia is Moscow. Option A. Which bird has sharp talons and is known for catching fish in its powerful beak? So the answer is option D, kingfisher, because it has the sharp talons and is it known for catching fish in its powerful beak. 31st question. A bird that stands tall and has striking red crest is most likely to be a? It's most likely to be a crane. So option A is the correct answer. 32nd. A student describes a planet with blue hues and strong winds. Guess its name. So we have options as Earth, Neptune, Uranus and Venus. So the correct answer is Neptune. It is the planet with blue hues and strong winds. 33. The planet famous for its enormous storm, often called the Great Red Spot, is what? Options are Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. And our correct answer is Jupiter, option B. 34th question. A celestial body is described as icy with a glowing tail. What could it be? Options are comet, asteroid, meteor, and star. So our correct answer is option A, comet. 35th question. Planets orbit the sun in specific paths. These paths are called what? So what are these called? These paths are the specific paths that planets follow and as they travel around the sun, and they are called as orbits. So orbits is here option C. Next, 36th question. The smallest planet in our solar system is known as Mercury, Mars, Venus, Pluto. From these four options, our correct answer is Mercury. So, option A is the correct answer. What are the soft parts inside your ears called? So, we have to find the soft part inside our ear. Is teeth inside our ear? No. Gums are in the mouth. Tongue is also in mouth. So, eardrums is the correct answer. Option A. Okay, next. 38th question. Which part of the plant is used to grow new plants through cutting? Through cutting, which part of the plant we can grow again? So it is option A, stem. Stem is the part of the plant which once grows sown again, we can grow it. 39th question. What part of the plant helps it to breathe? Options are roots, leaves, stem, and flowers. So actually leaves have the tiny pores called stomata through which plants exchange gases with the atmosphere and which is their form of breathing. That's why option B, leaves, is the correct answer. 40th question. A plant was now watered for many days and became wilted. Which part of the plant is directly affected? Now first let's see what does wilted means. Okay. Wilted means the leaves which lose water, leaves, turgor pressure becomes droopy and soft. So wilting is visible effect that happens in the leaves first. So our correct answer is leaves and option A is the correct answer because the first thing which directly gets affected is leaves. Here we end with the 40 questions. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.